Who has an encounter with a spirit being, There's an encounter with a spirit being, and now the encounter has resulted to a pregnancy. And that pregnancy is about 12 years. Your name is Nena. There's a pregnancy since 2013. I want to open the meeting tonight. We'll just open it and we're going to. Is that you?
Yes, sir.
What's your name?
Nena.
Come. This pregnancy is when?
2013.
Come. Drop your pictures. There are operations of spirit beings, and our refusal to be sensitive to the Spirit of God Hallelujah. Hey. Your baby was locked, so I command it now. Kick! Move! Baby, start moving. Move it. Start moving. 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 Moving. Get into labor. Get ekoparazata. Get into labor. Come out. Come out. Yemaniando kabadadaba. Badea, 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 badea. Zikapata. Zikatina Musa. Meno mano mane kabaladiane. Oze malabraka yana nabo. Balone manaza. Legarabayanaza. Take her to the hospital. Take her to the hospital. Take her to the hospital. Mazina mana bragaziana. Satala braga na yamanaza. Inga mana soparada.